Hey, so we're going to do an unboxing here of this Invicta. This is the Pro Diver 16739. You can see the box here, the Invicta branding. This is 200 meters water resistant here. So this is a diver watch. You can see you'll get a code here for kind of like quick start stuff. Look at your warranty and all that. All right, so there's the watch. You can see gold with the gold face. See that nice spongy foam. This is what the watch looks like here. So it's got this pretty cool like bezel on here. It's almost like a pie crust type shape. You can kind of see how that catches the sheen and kind of what that does. There's kind of more of a close-up look right there. So you see the Invicta branding kind of there and there. You know, see I have the Casio Duro diver right there. But I like the look of this one. I think, you know, this is a nice watch. It looks really nice. Having the water resistance still with this one is nice, and this will be a nice one to wear. I plan on wearing, you know, more special occasions and holidays and things like that, kind of dressing up a little bit more. But you could certainly wear this, you know, dress it down and wear it in a more casual setting too. You can kind of see how that bezel sparkles a little bit there as the light hits it differently. It's pretty neat. We'll get some of this plastic off here so you can kind of see exactly what the band looks like. A little bit more matte on the kind of outside parts of the band, and then a little bit more shiny there as you see in the center part. So it gives it a cool little look there. So for the clasp, this folds over here, and then you clamp that down and then fold this little piece over there. So that's what the buckle part looks like. This is one that they have the pins on here, so if you want to resize this, you got to punch out those pins. So those are very affordable though on Amazon here and everything too. You can get those. Sometimes if you get other third-party watch band straps, they'll give you one of those pin replacement tools to kind of resize your watch. Otherwise, you can take it, you know, to a jeweler as well. So I'm gonna take off here my Casio Duro. We'll get this on and take a look. Just to give you an idea on the size, there is my Casio Duro, and here's the Invicta. So the Invicta is a little bit bigger. You can kind of see there. You know, I have a relatively small wrist, but you can see you get a good amount of size here on this. So you can definitely take some out, but it's nice for people with larger wrists. This should fit a lot of people either way. So you can kind of see on a wrist here, this is what it would look like. I just love that kind of like sparkle that gives. You can kind of see it's even picking up some of my shirt here in the reflection, but it just, yeah, looks really nice, looks really classy. It's still a kind of a subdued look. I like the, you know, the gold face, light color there. You know, the rest of the watch here, it just looks really nice. Here's kind of the Casio Duro, just for a comparison. Now there's going to be an affiliate link for this in the comments and description. So I'm going to be doing a full review of this Invicta Pro Diver as well, and even that Casio Duro you just saw there. So if you want to see more like that, please subscribe and like the video if you found this helpful.